based on the weather forecast we have right now, we're not expecting significant service interruptions across our territory.
So as long as we see a drier, fluffier snow, as is the forecast right now, that reduces the risk of power outages associated with this storm.
But both utility companies will still be ready with extra staff in the event of outages. They also advise residents to do their part to be ready. First, do not use stoves or ovens as heat sources. Keep generators away from windows and have flashlights and car chargers handy. Also, Duquesne Light and West Penn Power are relying on new technology for faster response times in case of outages.
It's the upgrades we make in the grid to make the grid more storm resilient and increase the technology that allows us to isolate outages faster, isolate the damage.
We keep upgrading the grid with better technology. We just launched something called Gridware that gives us a better idea of where outages occur in a more specific place that speeds up our response time.
And also tonight, Duquesne Light has what they call an outage management system, which is available to the public, and you can access it on the WTAE app. Covering Allegheny County, Sheldon Ingram, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.